Hello student, welcome to cooperation class. Today we will going to deal with new unit, that is accounts of a cooperative society. Before that, we should know the meaning of the term account and the term accounting. Difference between two. Account, it means a summarized record of given information. It is a summary of the information that is required. So we will going to find in the account track of all the information. Now what is this accounting? It is the process of identifying, measuring, recording all the business transaction and communicating required information to the interested user. They identify here, measure, record the necessary business transaction and then exchange the information to the interested user. Whatever information is required, it is passed on to interested user. That is something on account and accounting. Now let us see in detail. Now you all know student, in every organization they must keep books of account. Now the organization may be profit making organization or non-profit making organization. Proper accounts must be kept. Every business transaction involves exchange of goods and services. We have already learnt this, right? A businessman purchases and sells goods and services with a view to earn profit. That means every businessman or business organization deals with other parties in exchange of goods and services. Now, such dealings are called as business transactions, right? Then, the business transaction may be made either on cash basis or credit basis. The business transaction includes purchase of goods or services, then also includes sale of goods or services, payment, receipts, and so on. In business transaction, numerous activities are included. Miscellaneous type of activities are included in it. So therefore what happens is a businessman cannot remember all the details of these various transactions. Therefore, it becomes necessary to keep a written record of all such transactions. A record of all such transactions should be systematic so that it may render valuable information to the businessman. Accounting system is such a system which record the business transactions systematically in a set of books. Right? Moving further, accounting involves not only maintaining records, but it also involves balancing of figures of different accounts. I hope you all know the figures should balance, they should tally at last, right? Interpreting the balance, preparation of summaries, drawing conclusions from the summaries, and knowing the financial results and so on. Student, that is something on account and accounting. I hope this term is clear, right? Then moving ahead with needs and importance of account. Why there is need of accounts? What are the importance of account? Why the organization have to maintain books of account? Now, a cooperative society must keep accounts to know the following points, right? For example, we have the amount of profit and losses, the amount of profit earned or the amount loss incurred during the accounting period. Then the amount of capital invested in the business, how much capital is utilized in the business. Okay, then also there is need of amount of assets and properties on a particular date. They need to keep track of this. Then apart from the important points, account must be kept also for the some other reasons. Now let us see which are those reasons. Like we have to know the amount due to creditors, amount which is pending, okay, due to creditors. Then amount which is due from debtors, right? Then to know how the amount of profit and loss is made. Then also to make comparison of the position of society with the position of other society. They have to compare the present situation, position of society with the position of other society, whether society is earning profit or it is running a loss, whether there is growth or not. They have to make comparison, right? Then to ascertain the amount of tax liability, they have to also keep a track of the tax liability. To know the cash balance and bank balance on a particular date, they have to keep track of cash and bank balance on particular date, right? And last, to know the stock position. What is the position of the stock? They have to keep record of it. Now what happens with this information? Information of the above points enables the cooperative society to exercise effective control over the various activities. Now who can know this financial position very easily if track is kept? Now the person is director of the society can know the financial position of the society. They can see to it that the money and the property available can be utilized properly and not unnecessarily wasted, right? Then accounts enable the directors of the society to take important decision. Okay, with the keeping a track, the directors, it becomes easy for the directors to take decision, right? So it is the accounting system which helps the directors of the society to run the matters of the society smoothly. It also provides protection against theft, fraud and dishonesty. Therefore, we can conclude by saying that accounts guide the directors of society as to where to reduce expenses and how to use available funds effectively and efficiently, right? So I hope needs and importance of accounts are very clear.